Today I'm going to show you how to allow the Outlook app to always run in the background on Windows 11. This can be useful if you want to make sure that you receive new emails, calendar reminders or notifications instantly without any delay, even when the app isn't open on your screen. First, click on the window icon on your taskbar, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. In the search box, type Outlook to quickly find the Outlook app. Next, click the three dots next to Outlook and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to Background App Permissions. Here you can choose between Power Optimized Always or Never. Selecting Always ensures that Outlook can continue running in the background, so you receive emails, reminders and notifications at all times. The Power Optimized option allows Windows to manage background activity to help conserve battery life. I'm going to select Always. And that's it, all done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.